Good morning, people. Making milk and water heating the truck. Leaving today to Bangalore in another few minutes to pack. A lot of packing left. Back and leave time is 8:50. Morning from Sirsi again. Look at this guy. It's been raining all night. Stopped now for a bit. We'll probably leave now. Don't know whether we'll be covering Banwasi or we'll go directly. Let's see. I'll keep you guys posted. This is tomato kurma with dosa coming. This guy was apparently sick yesterday. Doesn't look like it. Mr. Bhaskar. Rakshit serving. Says the weather in the morning. Very light drizzle. I think if you can see on the car, you can see it. Baby is all set. He has to go drive to Bengaluru. Yeah, we'll be going to Banwasi. But then going to Bangalore. So guys, heading to Banwasi now. And then Namma Bengaluru. It's a very old temple. I'll show it to you guys. So here all, daring for people. Look at this. It's a mini swimming pool kinds called Shankar Honda here. There in Sirsi. Adi wanted to swim here, but he's like, no, I'm not interested. He wants crystal blue waters. Devi. Bye bye. Come to Banwasi temple. A very old temple. It's a Shiva temple, but you have all the gods here. Madhukeshwar temple. You have all the gods in one temple. I'll show it to you. The car. This is Rakshit and boys, Bhaskar and Hadi. This is a Tirupati ka temple, Tirumala temple. Venkateshwara temple, Banwasi. Okay. And that's the entrance. I'll show you.
See here. So detailed.
The pillars also, no? These pillars are only epic.
Design exact asa pura designs.
Seriously. Designs closely, no? Crazy. Lots more inside. I'll show it you. There's a pillar here. It's a big stone kept on the pillars, dude. On top, no? Big stone. Yeah. This is the Dhwaja Stamba. This is one more. Stamba. And this is the main temple. So it's very slippery, careful. So peaceful always here. These are all the gods, like, starting from here. I'll show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll show it to you once I go inside and come. Stamba. This is Indraji sitting on Nairavat. Have you ever seen Indradev anywhere? I haven't seen it in. This is a huge 12 feet Nandi. This is easily huge. There's one beautiful thing about this. I'll show it to you guys. If you see the inscriptions here, no? This is the entrance of the temple. It's written in old Kannada. Kannada, that's what they say. This is Nandi. Beautiful. like how much ever you take of this is not enough. Beautiful, beautiful. See this? Nandi, one eye is here towards Shivji. I'll show you where the other eye is facing. It's the main Garbhagudi inside. So this is Triloka Mandap. You see the stone carvings. This entire thing is stone, made out of stone, single stone. That is the Shivji ka Shivling. They are doing Alankar. They'll be the Mahamangalarti will be happening at some time. This is that is Shivji temple. This is Parvati's temple, and I'll show you something fun here. See the architectural beauty that I know. This is where Parvati ji's Garbhagudi is there, and that is Dandi there. You see its eyes there. It's seeing here straight through the pillar. See what architecture to next level. Super. This is Parvati ji. Beautiful, beautiful. Anji Baba.
किसी वायर सा है डिटेलिंग पड़ रहा है पेंसिल हम छोड़ो तो जाना हम का
Awesome.
खेल नहीं थे
Rakshit, a photo mar raha hai Mangalarti. This is a very old temple. Listen to this. Keep listening to this. You can hear that Om.
for 30 seconds.
There for 30 seconds. Entering the Garbhagudi, the Mahamangalarti time. Adi Madhav. So this is done here. Veerabhadraeshwara temple. Shiveshwara temple. Shivling. This is the outside of the temple. And now I'll show you everything from there. You see, come here. See, that is Agni.
वो बहुत फिसलन हो रही है आराम से
Agni Dev. Then this is another two gods. Another Shivling there, 3 types. Temple. It's very slippery on the edges. See this, huh? This is a single stone ka mandap, again very slippery here. See this. You can see inside. This is how it looks. It's made out of one stone. It's apparently a bed. So if you see here, Shono. Guys, this is Lord Yamraj Ji. Yamraj Ji, this is a temple. Beautiful temple. Again, there are a few more gods there. I'll show it to you. So this is how it looks like. We're just going around the temple. And just check how old this temple is. I think 12th century temple. If I'm not wrong. Rakshit?
9th century.
9th century. Oh my God.
9th century they claim,
Yeah.
but it might be much older.
It was, I think, Which dynasty was it?
Kadamba.
Kadamba, correct. Sri Heradeshwara, Chintamani Ganapati, Neraruthi, Dundi Raja Ganapati. And this is
No
weird.
one in your contacts named Nirati. Are you looking for?
This how it looks beautiful. Beautiful is the word. I'll be going this side. There's another temple here. It's very slippery, sorry. Another temple here. Let's go inside and do the darshan and come.
Boss, check that.
राम से
Snake leopard. Zoom कर.
काय सांगा?
Hey there. Haji Makshi.
हाजी मत
Snake है दिसते ना.
Oh, hey. Wow. And it's raining, huh, guys? What temple is this?
उनका ही रूप है. चिंतामणि का राजा मुंबई. ईस्ट इंद्र.
Starting.
अग्नि.
Yeah.
दक्षिण यम. नेक्स्ट निरुति नैऋत्य. नेक्स्ट वरुण. वायु. कुबेर. ईशान. दिक्पालक देवता.
Wow. This is Mr. Bhaskar. He's by profession he's a Purohit. So he knows A to Z, everything. So very informative. Rameshwar.
पूरा ज्योतिर्लिंग महंगा पडेल.
Actually, Varuna.
तू रामेश्वर सेम अशी असं. हेच
This
चीज
is Varun God. Actually, they've kept the
संगीत कळलं तुका. वायू अथवा वरुण आहे. वरुणाले बाईल कोण?
Venkatrama.
तशी. वरुण पश्चिम दिक्पा.
Oh, Ramji.
इंद्र दिखे ना.
Ramji, Uma Maheshwar. You have A to Z every god in one temple. Nice. One temple mein. This is Uma Maheshwar ji. That's how it is.
हनुमान दास कौन तो वो?
हनुमान जी भी हैं श्री राम
Is explaining something. Yeah.
अशी पडेल तो कृष्ण मृग.
Okay.
जिंके.
Okay.
अशी पडेल तो गाय. वो
So what is it called? कल तुम्हारा था का?
अशी एक सायंटिफिकली मैंने हम गुड जॉब में टेन तशी.
Different, basically different ways of seeing things. Illusion,
यस.
perspectives.
हे पडेल तो गाय हे दिसतं. गाय दूध पी चलल्या. फाटल्यान पळत चलल्या गाय.
Basically that's a cow.
चरडा पळत अशी पडेल ती जिंके. मुखारवते.
It's like a deer. Basically he's explaining if you cover this, it look like a deer. If you cover this, it look like a cow feeding its calf. This is Basvalingeshwar. Another Shivling, if you can see closely. Beautiful. This is Vayu. This is Surya Dev. It's written inside, you can't see it clearly. Another Ganapati, if you can see, this is the half. The other half is in Kashi. It's your Kashi is Varanasi, right?
अशी राम कृष्ण आणि परशुराम म्हणजे दशावतार बी ह्यांच्यात केले आहेत. विष्णू दशावतार.
Beautiful, Ramji. I don't think you can see inside. Oh, it's closed. And this is again inside, yeah, Adi Shesh. Basically, this is Kuberji. This is Keshav Ji. This is Parvati Ji's temple. So, God bless. And this is the beauty of this, the Nandi that I showed you. See, I'll zoom in and show you. Its eye, that is its eye. It's looking here to Parvati ji. And this is through the temple. So all the pillars. Look at the architecture. This is Parvati ji's temple. Rang the bell here. I don't know. Anyways, this is Banwasi, guys. That's how it is. Prasad for today. Serving it here right outside. From Banwasi, there's some stupid complications at home. And look at this. It's a river or a lake? It's a lake, man. It's filled. Look at how it's pounding. Viper is in full speed. Hardly can see the road. God, I hope the roads are not flooded. Look at the. It looks like a tunnel ahead. Also, guys, wish us luck. I hope we reach safe. Yeah. I was talking about this road not being bad. It's already awesome, man. This is the usual Sirsi Bangalore highway. Sorry, I was. It's not good. It's bad. Only that part is ready. My bad. Anyways, there's some sort of sound coming in the car. I think something was stuck in the backside car disc because we kept going in water. No, that's fine now. God is with us. Love you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, Mr. Odin boy. He'll be driving later. So had fun now, bro. How was the temple, Banwasi temple? I know you've seen it so many times, but I think this is the first time we had food there. No, luckily, God's prasad we got. Good fun. So yeah, heading to Bangalore. It's already late. What's the time, guys? Adi? 2:30. Oh, we should be reaching by 7 maximum. Yeah. We plan to stop in a coffee day ahead. Let's see. Finally on the highway and little bit of less rains. How does it feel, boys and girls? Very good. Ani surdal mare kastle. I don't know, something's wrong. Whenever I tell something, opposite only happens. Damn it. Oh, finally reached the coffee day. There's some stupid construction happening there. Car is completely gone. Matlab, horribly wet. Reached coffee day. Going to eat something now. This is smoked chicken sandwich. This is cafe frappe strong. This is iced americano strong. Spinach and corn sandwich. Adi waiting to. He's like cursing me. When do you finish? Okay, okay. Coffee and just going now. Just finished Harihar, I guess. Yes. Right after this, it's Davangere, Chitradurga, and then plan is to stop at Pakshala near Sira. Pakshala is one of the best restaurants that you get on the highway or anywhere. Time to build some nice masala dosa and all that. Missing Bangalore actually. Namma Bengaluru. We are coming to you. Weather is very, very pleasant. A little bit of rain here and there. Not like the madness that we came from. We are still on the highway, obviously. Time is, what is the time? 5:48. So we should be reaching Pakshala by, according to Google, 6:43. But I think we'll reach sooner. We are near Hirur, then comes Sira. So almost less than 200 to Namma Bengaluru. People are driving like chutti tuttis. Again, that's not a bad word, so I can use it again. So, reached Pakshala, one of the favorite hotels, restaurants. This is near, I think we crossed Sira. Sira is few more kilometers away. But from here to Nice Road, it says 115 kilometers, 2 hours, 11 minutes. This is the history about this place, Pakshala. What have you ordered?
Paneer chilli dahi puri.
Puri. And guys, I have ordered butter masala dosa. I was waiting to have it from ages. Anyways, 115 kilometers more we are in Bengaluru. My favorite masala dosa. Dahi puri. Melting us is paneer chilli, solid quantity. So many types of buns. Pista, this was mango, right?
Mango.
Mango.
चॉकलेट स्ट्रॉबेरी वनीला ये कुछ ड्राई फ्रूट है.
ये मगाई है, डेट्स है, ये स्वीट पान है. हाँ. Hello guys, we have reached, we crossed Tumkur, that is around 70 kilometers from Bangalore. Now Nice Road I think is around 39 kilometers away. Probably we should reach there within an hour, and from there to our place another hour. So technically 2 hours from now, say 10 o'clock, we should reach 10:30. Plan is to drop Adi and then get back home. This is how the road looks like. There is no rain, thankfully. You can see the road. Yeah, you can see the road. No rains, it's clear. Thankfully, we're done with rains. So, yeah. Hopefully, we reach home safe, guys. Hello, guys. Welcome to Namma Bengaluru. We are back to Bangalore. And it's dry. Feels so good. We're on the nice road. Probably another 29 kilometers to my Aditya's place. So, we're going to drop him and then ourselves, and we're gonna rest and sleep. Yeah. Anyways, haven't had dinner still. Not hungry, but gotta have food. Anyways, few more kilometers to go. Hello, people on the home stretch. Near Vijay Bank layout. That's third wave. So reached, guys. Thank you for all you guys. Just reached home stretch. Going to drop Adi now. I've been telling this 100 times, but yeah, that's what the thing is. I hope you guys all loved the vlogs. Another one coming your way. So thanks for all the support. Keep watching, keep subscribing, and yes, guys, I will reach home in a bit. Hello, guys. Reached home. Look who's there to greet me. Mom, Stephen. Oh, say hello. Mom and Dad having what is that? Enjoy. Special. Finally, it feels good to be back home. You guys haven't, subscribed. Please subscribe. He ran away. And thanks for enjoy all the vlogs. And take care. I'll get some rest. Good night.